Hello students, let us again go back to trigonometry. Part 1 to karne apnaloke agor video to sai lobo pare. So etu follow up hoy agor video pora. Ete ami ki korim trigonometric ratio bilakor majot kisuman useful identities ulai sam. Okay. So again let us go back to the triangle ABC with angle B as 90 degree. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this was the angle theta that we were discussing. Etia first identity যেটো আমি সাম হেতু হল sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. So etu proof কৰাটো একেবাৰে ইজি হয় আমি অলৰেডি Pythagoras theorem to জানো. We know that for any right angle triangle the sum of the square of the perpendicular and the base is always equal to the hypotenuse. It is perpendicular, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. So this theorem is already known to us. Etia depending upon our identity to ki lage, ami ei expression to modify kori. Jeneke ami ki dekha pai asu identity to right side ki ase 1 ase, yate ki ase AC square ase. So we will divide both the sides with AC square. So AC square divide kori ki hobo AB by AC whole square, BC by AC whole square, ako AC square by AC square korle ki hoy jabo 1 hoy jabo. Etia AB by BC, AB by AC ki hoy AB by AC. From the previous video AB was perpendicular, BC was base, and AC was hypotenuse. So AB by AC ki hoy jabo P by H, which is sin theta. Ako square ase karone sin square theta plus etu hoy jabo BC by AC. BC ki hoy B hoy. So BC by AC hoy jabo cos square theta. Cos square theta equals 1. So this is the first identity that you have to remember, as well as the proof. Yata the important bostu note kobo lagibo ki je whenever we make a square or cube or to the power 4 of a trigonometric ratio ami kitao eneke nilikhu sin theta square boli nilikhu. Sin theta square mane sin of theta square. Kintu jodi moi sin theta whole square likhibo bisaisu, then this is written as sin square theta. So ei duta kintu same nohoy. Okay, I hope you remember that. Next amar identity ahi gol 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. So this is also very easy to prove. Ami ako ki korim Pythagoras theorem use korim. Proof আমি কি জানো AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. আমার কি লাগে আমার লাগে 1 আৰু লাগে tan square theta. এটা tan theta কি হৈ যায় perpendicular by base, তাৰ মানে AB by BC. So BC দি divide কৰিব লাগিব. If you divide both the sides by BC, we get AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC whole square equal to AC by BC whole square. It is AB by BC ki hobo AB by BC is tan. So tan square theta BC by BC 1 equal to AC by BC. AC by BC ta mane hypotenuse by base. AC by BC ki hobo hypotenuse by base. Base by hypotenuse asile cos. So cos or ulta, cos or reciprocal ki hoy jabo sec. So this gives us sec square theta. So this is the second identity that you have to remember. Now let us go to the third one. Third to ki hoy eta likhisu. Third is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Etu proof korar karone ami same Pythagoras theorem use korim. We know AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Ete amar ki lage cot theta lage. Cot theta is what? Base by perpendicular mane BC by AB. So we have to divide both the sides by AB. So AB mane AB square di divide kori dile eta thakibo AB by AB whole square plus BC by AB whole square equals AC by AB whole square. It will equal 1 BC by AB. BC by AB কি হৈ যাব? AB by BC হয় tan theta. So tan theta উল্টা কৰিলে cot theta আহিব. So this gives us cot square theta. আকৌ AC by AB. AB by AC হয় sin theta. Sin or ulta কৰিলে কি হ'ব? Cosec, that you already discussed in the previous video. So this gives us cosec square theta. So this is the third identity. এনেকুৱা তিনটা আইডেন্টিটি আছে. You have to remember all the three. I hope the explanation makes sense to you. Next part to আমি trigonometric ratio লগত যিবিলাক angles associated আছে সেইবোৰ angles লৈ অলপমান discussion কৰিম. So follow up. Okay, thank you.